Guruji. All the states and all the countries, everybody came here. Welcome. Namaskar to everybody. I don't know English very well. There will be grammatical mistakes. My mother tongue is Telugu. I can understand, but what is the English, what is the Hindi, what is the Kannada? But I will speak in Telugu and English also. I will try to speak. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Mohan Babu acted 550 movies, produced 80 pictures. We have Mohan Babu University also, and giving 25% free education irrespective of their caste and creed. Now, one day, Guruji, I want to speak little more. I am in Hyderabad. One friend called me, "Hey, you come to Bangalore." I said, "What for?" "Where?" "I am in Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Gurudev Ji Ashram. You please come." I said, "What, man? Why should I come?" "That person is Rajinikanth." "Hey, I am with my daughter. You come with your wife." "Are what for?" "Are there Guruji?" "For what Guru? To whom he is Guru? What for?" "No, you heard his name? No, ఆయన పేరు విన్నావా?" "విన్నాను." ఆయన పేరు వింటే మరి ఏంట్రా? There are so many persons in India. Every Guruji, everybody says there are so many persons. I don't want to come. He scolded me. Come on. Then okay, I told him, I will come. I will put only Namaskar, that's all. I don't want to touch his feet. I don't want. "Okay, Raj, you come," he said. I came with my wife. And I asked him, "He is going to give any money to me if I come?" "First of all, you come," he said. I came. Night to 10 o'clock, he asked us to come. వెళ్ళి ఆయన చూసిన తర్వాత సాష్టాంగ దండ ప్రణామం చేశాను. ఇది వాస్తవం. This is the truth. I said, only put namaskaram, now sastanga namaskaram I did for Guruji. Even now, I am feeling something great after telling his name. His name, Ravi, sun. He is giving brightness, Ravi. Shankar, Srishti, Sthiti, Laya, Karakudu, Parameshwara. He is having both the names, Ravi Shankar Gurudev. After seeing him, what a personality. What he is doing. I think I say proudly, he is the only one man in India doing like this, like this. अरे बच्चों, सुनो, थोड़ा हिंदी मालूम. मेरे को खाने को पैसा नहीं. I was suffering. I was platform. आई एम ट्राइंग एज एक्टर, एक्टर को ट्राई करते हैं मद्रास में। मैं सोचा एक दिन कोई भी खाना देते, कोई भी नहीं देना। नाउ ये परब्रह्म स्वरूप ब्रह्म विष्णु महेश्वर गुरु जी आपको पिता माता तल्ली तंड्री गुरु दैवम आपके लिए। It is not so easy. I know I was hungry, but now you are having good education. Parabrahma Swarup है Guru ji. You must think always आपका तल्ली तंड्री गुरु दैवम. Who is the तल्ली तंड्री गुरु? The only Ravishankar Gurudev ji. You are so lucky. अरे कहां से आए आप? Where is the place? Mizoram. So many countries, so many students. Why he is having all these things? What for? He can live. Parents has given birth to him. He can live happily with family. Now he wants to do something for the nation, who is the poor people. See, we heard Mahabharat, Krishna Paramatma, he said, in family, no fighting, be together. Whether it is a success or not, that is different. But example I am telling. Now this Gurudev went Colombo. I think everybody knows about it. There was a big fight. Colombo, LTT, I think so. He said, be together. Be together, no negative, always positive. He was successful. He was successful. Like that he did extraordinary things in India. He is a self-made man. ये भगवान का आशीर्वाद, ये भगवान का आशीर्वाद नहीं तो we would come here. Sudarsana Kriya, it is not an ordinary thing. If you think, if you pray, if you practice, you will be something great, you achieve everything. My dear friends, how many persons, every day 35,000 pilgrims they are coming and eating free food here. One meal we can't give 35,000 every day. How can 40,000, 50,000 people he is feeding? It is not so easy. You came here for what? సంతోషాన్ని కావాలనుకునే వాళ్ళకి సంతోషం దొరకదు. I want happiness means you won't get happiness. సంతోషం తెలుసుకునే వాళ్ళకు సంతోషం దొరుకుతుంది. If you want to know what is mean by happiness, if you come here, then you can know from Guruji. Without coming here, I want happiness. Where? It is from the trees. Where it will come? You must know. That is Krishna Paramatma said. That he will give. Atma, Antaratma, Paramatma. He is that. He is full body of positive energy. He is thinking about the nation. He is thinking about the poor students. You must achieve. You must study well. Get a good marks, good name for the Guruji and the nation, my dear students. I love you all. It is my Purvajanma Sukrit. Guru is necessary for everybody. Talli, Tandri, Guru, not God, Guru, after mother and father. First Guru is elementary school teacher, Abdul Kalam ji said. School teacher is the first Guru, and he is the second Guru, third Guru, 100 Gurus. He is the Guru for us. You come here, come every day, or you pray, take his photo, see his photo, and do Sudarsana Kriya. You are going to achieve many things. Guruji, again I am telling you, it is a Purajanma Sukrut. Purajanma Sukrutam. నాకు మీరు గురువుగా లభించడం, నేను మీకు సాష్టాంగ హృదయపూర్వకంగా మీ పాదాల దగ్గర ఉంటాను. మీరంటే నాకు ఇష్టం, నా కుటుంబానికి ఇష్టం. మీరు పిలిచి మీ పక్కన కూర్చోబెట్టుకుంటే చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఆనందంగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాను. అలాగే మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్, we both acted as villains. Sir, I came to your place, I have seen the Lord, the Bhagwan Hanumanji temple and other two persons. Thank you, sir. And once again, thank you very much. And తల్లిదండ్రుల ఆశీస్సులతో, ప్రకృతి ఆశీస్సులతో, ప్రకృతి మీద ఆల్మైటీ ఆశీస్సులతో, పంచభూతాల ఆశీస్సులతో 125 సంవత్సరాలు, 125 years you must live with good health and wealth. I pray all almighties to bless you and your blessings for us. Thank you, Guruji. And the lotus, I brought beautiful garland for you. You must accept the garland.